My name is Peter Bourgon. My programming hero, singular. I only get one. Who was the Navy officer who was mentioned today in the talks? Grace Hopper, I think. Yeah, I'll go with Grace Hopper. Why? So, in addition to all the firsts that she had, she was the first person, I think, to sort of apply this like rigorous thinking to the discipline of programming. And that maybe came from the military, and maybe came from her personality, but she kind of set a tradition of types of programmers that carries through today. So, I don't know. Maybe that's all bullshit. It could be. But I'll go with her. If I had to learn how to program all over again. So like myself 15 years ago or something like this. Never lose your beginner minds. And this was mentioned today as well, like this idea of a beginner's mindset. Like, when you stop learning, you stop being a good programmer, I think. So the important thing is to always consider yourself a beginner in whatever you're doing, and don't think that you know everything, because you don't, you never will. Just keep an open mind and be willing to be humble. The open source project with the largest impact on my life. I guess there are obvious answers like Linux, right? But maybe that's less interesting. I think recently the project has probably been Jepsen, which is this like distributed systems testing tool. I haven't used it directly, but I've seen its application on other systems, and that's really put in me like a spirit of desire to do things right, and I think that's permeated a lot of my work. So yeah, maybe Jepsen. The most exciting thing in software right now? That's a good question. There's obvious answers like Docker, but I'm not sure I find that super exciting. It's maybe more, I don't know, the idea of distributed programming coming into the large, I would say. So, like, all these projects that are like Raft, maybe Raft is a good answer. Raft is like the first modern CP system that's like solving this class of problem in a way that's understandable to some people, to mortals, in a way that Paxos wasn't. So yeah, maybe Raft. I really like to do carpentry. If I could spend more time building furniture, that would be something. Spend more time thinking, less time building and doing, that would be probably good. But I can't really complain. My life right now is pretty good, so no is the answer. Weirdest face that I can make. I'm not nearly drunk enough for this, I'm very sorry. I think it's the face that I just made off camera to him, and I raised my eyebrow in a way like a Colbert eyebrow, but I'm not sure I can do it against it. No, that wasn't it. I'm sorry. All right.
Like quasi-creepy, quasi-weird, it was awesome.
Creepy is really my bag.
Is that your bag of tricks?
All right.
Oh, you did great, man.
Cool. Thanks very much.
Appreciate it. I get you a shirt, but you already got one.
I got one. Where is this going?